Hello, friends! Bing and Rolly, these wonderful dogs, love to show us their adventures. Let's put the puzzle back together and see what they have in store for us today. Let's go! We need 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go. Corners number 1. Where is your place? Corners number 1. Maybe this? No, it's not right. Okay, I think so this. What? Oh! Alright. I think so this. Yes, look, it is right. I see one line and this one line. And these, only these corners. It's your plate. Okay. It is corners number 2. This piece of the puzzle should not, maybe not, be here. Yes, not. It's not be here. Shall be home. Where is your place? Corners. Okay, maybe this. No. And variant number 3. Yes! Wow, it's right. Man, it's beautiful. Yeah. We have now only 2 peach corners. Maybe this? No, and no. Okay, or this? Yes, it is right. And we need corners number 4. Maybe this peach puzzle? Not, it's not right. Peach puzzles. Or is it? No? Yes, I see. And this. Yes, it is right. Now it's right. Okay, now we have all 4 corners. Yes. And now we need 4 lines. This, and this. And we need all peach puzzles with one side line. The example, this is line, and the 3 side not line. Okay, this peach puzzle. Where is your place? Maybe this? Not, it's not right. Okay, not this. Yes, now it's right. And now we need peach puzzles with line this. Maybe this? Not, this not line. Only this. This, it's right. I think so, yes. Yes, look, it is right. Cool, I like it. Oh yeah, and these peach puzzles, this line. I think so, it is right. Yes, look, it's right. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we need peach puzzles with line this. Maybe this peach puzzles? No, it's not right peach puzzles. Oh yeah, look, this is line, and I think so this peach puzzles only this. Yes, look, it is right. I'm perfectly. Yes, thank you, friends. Thank you for your job. Yes, and we have 4 peach puzzles. And on the 2 peach puzzles we plan this. Okay. These peach puzzles? Maybe this? Oh no, I was wrong. Okay. Or this? Oh yeah, it's right. Oh yes, perfect. And oh yeah. Now we have all peach puzzles with line, and we have 4 line. Yay! That's alright. And we have only 2 peach puzzles in the center, and I think so. These peach puzzles, this. Sorry, this. Yes, look, it is right. And guys, look, it's the end.
Hey, we sound pretty good.
Wow, it's the perfect song. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you, Bingo and Rolly. It's beautiful and wow. Thank you. Please, guys, subscribe and like this video, and see you. Bye.